Ever wonder what people are doing with old t-shirts that makes you stop and take a second look? I found some ideas that are surprisingly clever and maybe a little wild. You're going to want to see these. Check the link in the description if you want to see the full Pinterest board or reference images for these projects. And at the end, once I get 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea with my own spin. So let's dive in. Every t-shirt has a story. Even the plain ones have potential. Sometimes all it needs is a little imagination and maybe a hint of chaos. Upcycling is a small way to make a big impact. Each stitch keeps a t-shirt out of the landfill and gives it a second life. Basically, you're a tiny superhero in fabric form. This isn't just about t-shirts, it's about expressing yourself. Every knot, cut, or stitch is a statement. Yes, even that one that looks like it survived a few too many coffee spills. You see something ordinary and suddenly it's extraordinary. That's the magic of a little creativity and a lot of stubbornness. Turning something ordinary into something extraordinary is a confidence booster. Look at what's possible. You've got the power to make something unique out of something basic. And if it goes a little sideways, that's part of the charm. Every t-shirt has a story, but you get to write the ending. If you're enjoying seeing these ideas, don't forget to like this video and click subscribe for more sewing inspiration. Upcycling can be very calming. Slowly transforming a t-shirt gives your mind a break and your hands a task. It's cheaper than therapy and the t-shirt won't judge you. Every idea you try teaches you something. Even a small change can turn a forgotten t-shirt into something special. Remember, every t-shirt you transform carries a little piece of your personality, and maybe a tiny bit of chaos. Start small, try something bold, and see what happens. Remember to vote for your favorite idea in the comments, and once we hit 100 votes, I may recreate the top pick with my own spin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Be sure to check back for more sewing inspiration.